Imagine your car is struggling to breathe, gasping for every drop of fuel while you're trying to keep up with traffic on a busy road. That flickering check engine light is not just a suggestion, it's a warning that your engine might be starving itself to death. When your onboard diagnostic scanner pulls up code P217D, it means your engine control module has lost its ability to talk to a specific group of fuel injectors known as Group E. Think of your fuel injectors as the high-precision heart valves of your engine, spraying a fine mist of fuel at exactly the right microsecond to keep everything running smooth. This code is generic, so it could hit anything from a heavy-duty Ram Cummins or a Duramax diesel to a nimble Audi or Volkswagen, but the danger remains the same. Since Group E refers to a specific circuit or set of injectors, you're looking at an open circuit or a total communication breakdown. Most of the time, this is not even a software glitch, but a raw mechanical failure or physical damage. Remember that fuel injector harnesses are often tucked right next to the scorching heat of the engine block, making them vulnerable to melting, cracking, or rubbing until they snap. When this circuit goes open, your engine starts running lean, meaning there's way too much air and not enough fuel, which creates massive heat that can literally melt internal components if you ignore it. You'll feel the engine stumble, lose power on hills, and you might see some nasty smoke coming out of the tailpipe. To fix this, you need to start by peeling back the engine covers and getting your eyes on that wiring harness to look for frayed insulation or broken wires. Use some electrical contact cleaner on the connectors because moisture loves to hide in the engine valleys and corrode those tiny pins. If everything looks okay physically, grab your digital volt ohm meter and run a continuity test to see if the signal is actually making it from the engine control module to the injector. To not let a simple broken wire turn into a total engine rebuild.